Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about Python. On this video I will teach you how to install Python and simple codes in Python, okay? Let's get started. So we're going to install Python. First open your browser and then type python.org. This should appear after you type it, and then go to downloads. We're going to download the latest version of Python, okay? I'm going to download the latest version for Windows. If your computer is not Windows, you can click over here, okay? Press download and the download should start, okay? See, it's already done. After that, go to downloads, just open File Explorer. As you can see, Python launcher is already over here. It's the setup, okay? Click on it. Okay, so if you want to install, you can customize the installation. You can choose the location and the features, okay? If you want to choose the location, you can just browse, okay? And then before you install, just make sure you checklist on this box. Why? This will help you install the pip and other Python packages, okay? And then I'm just gonna install now. It is installing. Usually the installing doesn't take really long, okay? Be patient. Okay, we already download the Python. Just close. And then we need to open the Python, okay? To do that, just search Python idle. Okay, it's already over here. Let's open it. Okay, this is the idle shell for Python, okay? You can to start coding, you just need to press file and then new file, okay? Over here. To save your project, your file, save as, okay? Okay, this is the location. I'm going to name it test, okay? Save. So now we're going to learn simple codes in Python, okay? Coding in Python is different. It's not like coding in Scratch. In Scratch, if you want to do an action, you need to start it with when green flags, click it, and then you say something like hello world. When you click the green flag, the cat will say hello world, okay? If you want to do that in Python, the code is print double quote hello world double quote, and then let's try to run it. If you want to run a program, press run module, okay? But you must to save it first, okay? And there we go, we got hello world printed in Python shell, okay? In Python, if you want to create a text, you must I'll just open the file test. So as I was saying, in Python, if you want to do a text, you must code print round bracket double quote mark, and then the text you want to say. In this case, the text I want to say is hello world, and then another double quote mark, after that a round bracket. But what if you use say instead of print, just like in Scratch? Let's try running it. See, it will be an error because the name says not defined. You see, Python doesn't understand the command say. It only understands print. In Scratch you use say, but in Python you use print, okay? Like that. Okay, after that, what if you type the text without double quote mark? Let's see what happens. Run module. It will say invalid syntax. So Python will think it's a variable. So make sure you add double quote marks, okay? Like that. And then now we're going to learn about a little something about variable. In Scratch, variable, this is in Python. Variable is like this. You make a new variable which is a equals to 10. Let's try doing it in Scratch. Make a new variable. It's called a. Set a to 10. It's like that, okay? In Python, it's a equals to 10. What if you want to print the value of a? What do you do? Is it print round bracket double quote mark a? Let's try. Run. See, it prints a, but not the value of a. We wanted the Python to print the value of a, which is 10, but instead it printed a. You see, if you want to use double quote mark, inside it's a text, not a variable. So to print a variable, the value of a variable, you just need to print round bracket, and inside it's the variable name, which is a. Let's test it. Run. And there we go. Python printed the value of a. If you want to do that in Scratch, you could just say the value of a. See, it's 10. Now, what if you want to change the value of a into a name? Like a is equal to Adi. So you can just print a again. Run module. So Adi is the value of a. See, the name Adi is not defined. Variable can only understand numbers, okay? So if you want to print Adi, you must delete the variable first, okay? Let's test it. Run. See, it printed Adi. Okay. Now, if you want to do that in Scratch, you just need to. First, I'm going to delete the variable, and then after you say hello world, you say Adi. See, it's like that in Scratch. In Python, if you want to make a variable, the variable you want to name the variable with 2 words, okay? Like people underscore city is equal to 100. You wanted to print the number of the people in your city. So in Scratch, make a new variable. It's called people underscore city. Set people in city to 100. Oh yeah. In Python, if you want to make a variable with 2 words, make sure you add underscore between it. Underscore is like space. It's like to replace space between the variables, okay? And then print the people underscore city, the value of the variable. You run, and it will print the number of the people in your city. To do that in Scratch, you wanted to say the value of people in your city, which is 100. But if you wanted to say print the number of the people in your city is, and then the value of the people in your city, so just type print round bracket and then double quote mark, and then you say the number of the people in your city is, and then you add a double quote mark, add a comma, and then you print, type the people underscore city variable. Let's test it. Run module. See, it printed the number of the people in your city is 100. So this is basically combining between text and variable. If you want to do that in Scratch, you say add a join block. Okay, join the number of people in your city is, and then add the people in your city. See, the number of people in your city is 100. So that is what we learned today about Python. So in this video you learned about how to install Python and about simple codes in Python. That is all for this video. See you next time in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and bye.